In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to give your website a fresh look or simply want to align the font style with your brand, updating your website's typography can make a big difference. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this effortlessly. First things first, we need to head over to Weebly's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Weebly website address. Upon reaching the site, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to type it in correctly. Typos happen more often than you'd think, and the last thing you want is to be locked out due to a simple mistake. After you've entered your email, click on next. Now you'll need to input your password. It's a good habit to use a strong password for added security. Maybe even consider using a password manager if you haven't already. Once your password has been entered, simply click Login to proceed. You're now greeted by the Weebly dashboard. This is your control center for everything you need to manage your website. From here, navigate to the Overview section. This option should be visible on the main menu, so click on that next. Once in the Overview section, you'll want to select Edit Site. This will take you into the editor, which is where the magic happens. Look for the Theme tab, usually located on the top bar, and click on it. Upon opening the Theme tab, search for the Change Fonts option. This is your gateway to experimenting with various fonts that Weebly offers, allowing you to customize the aesthetic aspects of your site to your heart's content. After selecting Change Fonts, you can choose the specific area of your site where you want to adjust the font. This could be headings, paragraphs, or even buttons, wherever you think the change is needed. Once you've decided on the area, click on it. This will display a drop-down menu of font options. Scroll through, and when you find one you like, select it to apply it to the chosen area. After you've made your selections and are satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to publish your changes. Look for the Publish button, often at the top of the screen, and give it a click. This will make your updates live on your website. Lastly, don't forget to preview your site and make sure everything looks exactly how you wanted. And there you go, you've successfully changed the font on your Weebly website.